hear you. Come on, puppy. Let's go for a walk. It's actually breezy. Well, let's wait for Mama. I thought she was coming. Sorry. Alright. There she goes, puppy. He loves getting to go to the street, into the street and back. Gives him something else to do. Come, puppy. We're not going home. Shadow. Oh, that's not good. Come on, puppy. Nope, not in his yard. Come on, stay on the road. I was talking to the dog. Oh, I guess he had a few more branches now. Shadow, get out of his yard. Come on. Come on. He gets too distracted.
Yeah.
I'm trying, but he keeps going that direction. Somebody said he had a big bark. I was like, yeah, he does.
Yeah, he does.
Especially when he's mad. It's still a little warm out here.
Yeah.
Thought it was gonna be cooler, but it is nice. It's muggy though. That's the problem. We couldn't have gotten any of that dry air. Stay on the road. Yeah, I know.
In case they come out with the dog.
They should be leashed though, because theirs are usually on the leash in the yard. But even so. Okay, we're about to have to turn around, puppy. We can't go to the cross street. It's too many people. Come on. He said, no, I found branches I have to look at. Come on. Shadow. Come on, we have to turn around. We're at the end of the street. He said, no, Nanny, I don't want to. It really isn't bad down there.
No, it's not.
Like the debris is minimal.
Right up the road there is
Come on.
a branch. I don't see it now.
I don't want him too close to the edge.
But it was laying over that wire going down the middle of the road. It was laying, it was a V laying right on top of it.
Yeah. I saw one down there one day that was like just kind of sitting on the wire, and I thought that's why the power keeps going out. Come on, puppy. Too close. Too close. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Shadow.
Hey, Shadow. Come on. That works every time.
Oh. And I didn't go down the back way because I didn't want to.
Yeah. There's probably more trees and stuff down there.
Spot where it would be hard to turn around, you know.
Yeah, I get it. I might could go down there in my car since it's smaller.
Yeah, because I've been wondering, is it open all the way or not?
Yeah, it might be. His tail's not wagging as fast as usual.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's pretty. I didn't realize that tree had flowers on it.
Yeah,
pretty if
I
it
knocked
feels.
all the flowers off my trees in the back.
I'm not surprised. It broke mine up.
Yeah.
Gotta go get in there and work on that, I guess. But I'm not doing it now. Come on, Shadow. Come on. Come on. At least he hasn't tried to get in the grass too much today.
Right.
Because the whole goal is to get him on the street.
Right.
So loud. Come on. Shadow. Look, Mama, you gotta walk too.
I gotta walk.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I need to do that more. That's my butt.
Come on. You can check out the storm debris if you want. I don't care. Or don't. He said, "No, I don't care about your yard. Just everybody else's." Good boy. You were so good. He looks hot though. I might go get his pool and set it up at the house for him. Hey, and on the upside, if we get too hot, we have our pool too.
Well, that's right.
Wherever it is. I did too. Come see Pope. Sit. Good boy. Go on. Your water's over there.